So here we are back at it again inside of Buffaly. I've been working on my sales agent. As you can see on the left side here inside of Buffaly, the sales agent has Feeding Frenzy, which is our CRM agent, a calendar management agent, a sales outreach follow-up agent. So I just wanted to share, I was in the process of refining this agent workflow and having like a post-meeting automation system where it automatically logs a CRM note, it automatically sends a follow-up email, and it automatically assigns the next calendar invite without me having to do anything. And our system has something really cool. Buffaly natively has a manager watching every action that the agent does. It's called our System 2 Watcher here. So if you notice, the CRM workflow here was completed, right? So it says, hey, I completed my task, boss, everything's good. The automation workflow is looking great. Well, the level 2 watcher manager agent, the level 2 System 2 watcher, jumped in and said, you actually have not finished the job. So why did it trigger? Because there was a gap after the durable prompt workflow edit, which means that it didn't actually save the workflow into a system that it can repeat on. So it noticed that, it grabbed that, and it stopped the level 1 agent, the worker agent, from going any further. So it's like having an agent and then managers for those agents constantly watching to make sure they're not doing anything silly or stupid, which again lends a lot of comfort in the fact that I know that when I'm working with sensitive material, I've always got a System 2 watcher watching what they're doing with information. So